Can you imagine an excavator that can swallow dozens of cubic meters over 1,000 tons and possessing the power of thousands of horses? The world's largest excavators are not just tools. They are true mechanical monsters, completely transforming the mining and large-scale construction industries. Today, we'll explore the top 10 biggest excavators, ranked from smaller to increasingly massive, so you can witness the incredible evolution of heavy machinery technology. Komatsu PC7000-11 is a powerful Japanese mining excavator with an operating weight of about 678 to 699 tons and twin engines, delivering over 3,350 horsepower. With a bucket capacity of up to 38 to 50 cubic meters, it excels at large-scale earth and rock excavation, perfectly matching 240-ton haul trucks. Its greatest strength lies in durability, smart hydraulic system, and stable operation, even in harsh mines. From afar, the PC7000-11 radiates power with its massive build yet smooth movements, leaving viewers in awe. In practice, it significantly boosts mining productivity with fast cycles and reasonable operating costs. It is a reliable warrior of modern heavy machinery. The Caterpillar ZX060 is a reliable American mining excavator, weighing around 570 to 660 tons, powered by twin Cat engines, delivering over 3,000 horsepower. Its standard 34 cubic meter bucket enables fast loading for 240-ton trucks. The machine stands out with advanced technology, comfortable cabin, and easy maintenance. On site, the 6060 moves solidly, scooping earth and rock effortlessly, creating a powerful yet well-controlled impression. It is an ideal choice for mines requiring high reliability and stable performance over long shifts. The 6060 proves that true power comes from durability and intelligence. Germany's Liebherr R996B weighs about 676 tons, featuring powerful twin engines and a large bucket. Designed for large-scale mining, it offers tremendous digging force and high load capacity. Its standout features are precise German technology, fuel efficiency, and smooth operation. When working, the R996B looks like a true mechanical monster, roaring powerfully, yet operating rhythmically. It helps European mines achieve high productivity, thanks to superior durability. This is a machine that amazes everyone, with the perfect balance of size and efficiency. The Komatsu PC8000-11 weighs 773 tons, with twin engines producing 4,020 horsepower and a 42-meter cubic bucket. It is one of Komatsu's strongest excavators, used in large mines for rapid loading. The machine features modern hydraulics, high durability, and excellent coordination with ultra-heavy trucks. On screen, the PC8000-11 exudes majesty with its colossal height and powerful movements. It is changing how mines operate, thanks to superior productivity and lower costs. A true machine built for the toughest jobs. The Liebherr R9600 is a powerful German mining excavator with an operating weight of around 650 to 680 tons and twin engines, delivering over 3,500 horsepower. Its large bucket capacity enables efficient loading of large-scale coal and mineral mines. The R9600's greatest strength lies in its advanced hydraulic technology, high durability, and stable operation in harsh conditions. On screen, the machine radiates power with its massive build and smooth movements, creating an overwhelming and satisfying impression. In reality, the R9600 helps mines increase productivity through fast work cycles and reasonable operating costs. It is a formidable warrior of European heavy machinery. The Hitachi X8000-7 weighs 843 to 848 tons with twin engines and 3,888 horsepower and a This Japanese excavator is famous for its durability and tremendous digging force. It specializes in heavy work in coal and mineral mines, coordinating smoothly with large trucks. On video, the EX8000-7 moves gracefully, despite its massive size, delivering satisfying visuals. The machine boosts high productivity through advanced technology and superior reliability. A true icon of Asian heavy machinery. The Liebherr R9800 weighs 800 to 810 tons with nearly 4,000 horsepower and a 42 to 47.5 cubic meter bucket. This
9800's advanced hydraulics
is a premium choice for large mines featuring top-tier hydraulics and excellent load capacity. When operating, it delivers powerful, precise, and highly professional imagery. The R9800 helps reduce cost per ton thanks to high efficiency. This is a machine that earns admiration from every engineer for its sophistication and power. The Terex RH400 weighs about 980 tons, with a huge bucket up to 50 to 65 cubian powerful output. This legendary machine once dominated many Canadian oil sands mines. With its robust design and colossal loading capacity, it creates extremely impressive visuals. The RH400 remains a symbol of mechanical power despite its age, a machine that leaves viewers in awe of its historic scale. The Komatsu PC9000-12 is the latest model, weighing 884 to 896 tons, with a 46 to 49 cubert bucket and twin 4,500 horsepower engines. It features impressive boom length, strong digging force, and perfect matching with the largest trucks. The modern design makes operation easier and maintenance faster. On site, the PC9000-12 looks like the future of heavy machinery, with superior power and technology. The Caterpillar 6090 FS is the king of excavators, weighing 1,001.102 tons, with twin Cummins engines producing 4,500 horsepower, a bucket up to 52 to 68 meters cuber, and 103-ton payload. This is a true colossal machine that can fill super large trucks in just a few scoops. With cutting-edge technology, smart hydraulics, and superior durability, the 6090 FS dominates every mining operation. Watching it work is an overwhelming experience, like witnessing the power of the future. No competitor can match its scale and performance. Among today's top 10 excavators, which one impressed you the most? And what do you want to see next? Giant bucket wheel excavators, massive bulldozers, mining dump trucks, or huge